So in this video, we're going to be building up the subscriber functionality. Um, so to get started with, we're going to create a model here, or at least a bit of a function. So if we head in here, we can essentially create a subscriber migration. Actually, we're not going to create a model. So let's create channel subscribers table. And let's send it into channel subscriber table. In here, we just need a few foreign IDs. So we need a foreign ID in here, which is going to be the channel ID, which is essentially the users, cascaded on delete. And then the same thing for the subscriber ID, which again is going to be related to the users. And that's basically it. That's the way we count the subscribers. So basically, the channel ID is the person the user subscribed to, and the subscriber ID is the user who subscribed. So I'm migrating this, and then if we head into the user model, we can create a few functions here. So in here, we want to create a function called subscriptions. And a user can have many subscriptions. So we want to return this. It belongs to many, sorry. User class channel subscriber, subscriber ID, and then channel ID. And then we want to have a function in here which is gonna check if how many subscribers the user has, and we're gonna have one here that's gonna basically check is subscribed to user. So the subscribers function, you can have, again, it belongs to many. In here we want to return this belongs to many user class channel subscriber, and then we want to have the channel ID and then the subscriber ID in this case. Make sure we close the function. And to check if someone is subscribed, all we want to check is return, and this is going to be a boolean, so let's go ahead and make sure that's boolean here. Return this subscriptions, and where channel ID equals to, and we make sure we pass in a user here. And we want to pass through the user ID. And basically that will allow us to check if you subscribed, how many subscribers you have, and the subscriptions the user has. So now if we go ahead and into our application here, I want to go in essentially to YouTube.test and create a new user. Make sure you run npm run dev, otherwise it may look a little bit weird if you haven't run the build for a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and refresh the page here. There we go. I'm gonna click register. I'm just gonna create a new account here. I'm gonna name him Tom. Tom@gmail.com. Password. And there we go. Okay, so let's head into the database first. And in the next video, you can look at how to create the subscriptions through a function in Livewire 3. So for now, we just want to have a ability to check how many subscribers a user has. So if we go into the YouTube clone here, and here you can see we got the channel subscribers. So I just want to have ID 1 and 2 here. And we need to check the users table here. So it's 2 and 3. So that means that channel 2, which is the original user, and Tom has subscribed to this. So if we head back in, you can then go into channels. There we go. And then let's go ahead and pass through how many subscribers someone has. And this is very similar again to how we did it with the ability to count the views, because what we're really doing is we're abbreviating the total count of subscribers, and then we're getting it either as a plural or as a singular word subscriber or subscribers. So I'm gonna pass through the code here for that. So we abbreviate it, and then we make a plural for the word subscriber. And right now we have 1 subscriber. But if we created more users, obviously this would look differently. So that's basically how we're able to just detect how many subscribers someone has. We're able to watch the videos the user has now uploaded. And if you go ahead and copy this and go into Tom's channel, you'll see that he has no videos uploaded, he has no subscribers and 0 views. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.